Well, thank you, no, na-break na namin yung 3, or 4 losing streak namin for previous games namin. So, pinagandaan talaga namin itong game na to para at least tumaas yung moral namin for incoming games, lalo na yung number 1 spot na yung PLDT. So, again, preparation namin is din hindi pa rin naman. Yeah.
Thank you. To Jonah.
Ano yung sasabi ni Coach? Like, yung preparation and yung mindset and siguro yung composure ng bawat isa talaga yung kailangan talaga. Kasi, syempre, hindi madali na itaas ulit yung moral ng bawat isa kasi 4 na natalo na nga. So, yun. Tiyaga lang din talaga sa bawat isa and trying to connect sa mga teammates namin.
And lastly, 20 points of
I think we did, just staying positive. I think the team has been doing a fantastic job, and the same with our coaching staff, is just staying positive and staying optimistic and hungry every single day. We step in the gym. So despite the 4 losses, what I really am grateful for this team is we know how to just keep going at it, right? So there's no giving up mentality. So I'm really proud of all the teams, all the girls and everything. So, and also just the Next Lead management too, just making us feel like, we're at home still and that we're going to figure it out, because, I mean, it's a sport, right? Win or loss, like, it's always going to happen despite the outcomes. I'm just really glad that we're able to learn from them. I mean, yeah, it's tough, but I think we learned a lot of lessons and we're taking steps in the right direction, so very proud.
Nag-group yung team kasi yung first set, hindi rin nakuha kanina.
Well, slow start, no? But still, niremind pa rin namin yung bawat isa, and then, of course, medyo nagkaroon na ng si coach. Siguro doon na kami nabuhay. I mean, yung mga bata, yung mga players, doon na nabuhay. Kung ano ba yung mga game plan, ano yung game plan namin. Kasi hindi nasunod nung first set. So, yun, that's it. Okay na sila.
For Brooke, you've been very vocal in previous years about not wanting to lose games, obviously, but as captain, take us through the emotions and the challenge of keeping this team together in that very difficult patch for the team.
Yeah, I mean, the 4 streak loss, I mean, it wasn't happy times, but we were able to stick together, and I'm really proud of all the girls. It's not just me, but I feel like as a team, cohesively, we all understand what we need to do and what we need to get done, and we continue to push each other in the gym and stay together. I think that's something super important for teams going through losing streaks, is to be able to stay together, because going through tough times, it's easy to be able to point fingers or be able to just be like, oh, well, it's not going our way, and kind of just roll over. But really glad with this team that no matter what, we always come out and we're like, okay, new day, let's go. Let's keep the positive attitude. Let's keep trying to improve, work. The coaching staff has been doing a very good job seeing what we're struggling at and be able to implement it in practice and keep working at it. And it can be frustrating because, yeah, it's not going our way sometimes, or maybe it's okay, we're working on this certain specific skill so much, but then just step by step, we're gonna get better at it. So I'm really proud of all the girls to stay grounded and just staying open and being coachable and just coming with positive attitudes no matter what to practice. So it makes my job a lot easier, but I think everyone is leading themselves very well and everyone's helping out. So it's not just specifically only a couple people. It's I think cohesively all together.
Would you be able to identify some things that went wrong or went missing during that time that the results were coming?
That's secret. That's information for other teams. Yeah. can't expose yourself. No, it's just keeping the emotions at bay, just staying positive vibes.
Coach, last game nyo ay...
Sa amin naman, especially congrats sa Akari. Hindi lang kami na yung Akari magkakaroon ng movement ng ranking. But ito, since PLDT, mas talagang pagbibigyan namin ng time to na para at least talagang mag-step up yung team namin.
And to prove finally that the losing streak is over, got over the hump. Now it's PLDT. The battle for top 4 is still hanging the balance for yourselves.
Yeah, I mean, again, it's unpredictable. I think, yeah, we dug ourselves not so good of a whole, path going into the top 4. So it's definitely going to be a battle. Even if we were to, get that win against PLDT, it's still unpredictable of where everyone's going to sit in the standings. So just looking forward to the next game. Is just came off a win, let's celebrate it. But next we got PLDT and they're doing a fantastic job, so we have to prepare much better. And I think it was good that we broke the losing streak. So now I think, again, steps in the right direction, building confidence as a team, and yeah, just continue to keep making day by day adjustments.
And lastly to Jonah, about the last match ng preliminary.
Ano ba? Syempre, depende kasi sa preparation din namin sa coaches. May mga sistema din naman sila na gusto ipagawa. So, yun lang. Sunod lang po kami. And syempre, kailangan din namin na magtulungan lang din talaga kasi hindi pwedeng siguro ko lang isang tatrabaho. Like, everyone kasi binaw naman na like our teammates is a very like potential din talaga. Sino naman ilagay mo. So, trabaho lang din po kami.
Congratulations, Coach Rapi, Drew, and Jonah. Stay